Hey guys, sorry we haven't been on the vlog land lately, but this one is too good to not show you what we've been up to. This is Jacob's little Mazda 1300. So it came in as a running piston car, and it's now leaving as a certified 10A street weapon. It is a really cool car. Like, I like my loud rotors, but I really appreciate this one as well. Like a real nice cruiser, family cruiser. We've set it up so he can have his kids in the back, wife in the front, go on big drives on the weekend. It's freaking rad. So now running the 10A. He wanted to keep it all looking original, and I think we've really well done that. So we'll show you around.
Open the door! Open the door!
So we've got a RX3 10A in there. So when Jacob dropped it off to us, he bought a whole bunch of R100 parts. Unfortunately, we had to make a new front breastplate to make the 10A RX3 bolt in there, because they bolt in a little bit different to the R100 10A. When we put it in there originally, the motor sat at too much of an angle, so our ideal is 3 degrees max of tilt. So I ended up chopping it along the ridge of the firewall, the gearbox tunnel, and then Dylan next door at Thompson Russ Repairs, they've extended it up 50mm. So instead of having just the bulge for the clutch, we've got the gearbox sitting up there nice, and now can have full throw without it rubbing on the gearbox tunnel. We've tried to make this look like it came out of factory like this. Obviously there's a few little aftermarket parts in here like the radio and oil cooler and stuff, but like coming to like coils and all the hardware, we've tried to keep all old school looking, oil filter, and yeah, it's come out really good. All the original overflow bottles, and yeah, it's come out really good. So rebuilt RX3 10A. So Jacob supplied the motor and box, and we fitted it in there, and then we've done everything else around it. HM Electrical have done the wiring on it for us. We wanted to try to keep everything hidden as much as we could, or using old school stuff that's reliable and will stand the test of time. But yeah, it's come out really good. Al Marsh tuned this one up for us. We're more injector guys. We like using dynos. Al Marsh is a genius with carbureted stuff, so he got it all running mint for us and set it all up. So still running the factory oil metering pump, stock carb. Jacob wanted to run the ram flow on the top, keep it that old school look. But yeah, I think what we've come out with, he's super stoked, we're super stoked, and it's going to be a wicked cruiser, eh? So we'll get underneath and we'll show you the underside. Alright, so still got stock seats, they've all been recovered, had a new carpet made up for it. Good thing when we did the gearbox lift, the centre console carpet actually fit all in there, back over it again, so it's only moved up so small that yeah, everything went back in. All the factory trims, factory dash. We just mounted a water temp gauge and an oil pressure gauge down here as well. Obviously Rotary life, you want to be able to make sure that you can keep all those things under control. And then we've mounted Isofix in the back underneath the parcel tray, so he can put his kids' booster seats in the back. But other than that, everything else is original in here. Real cool car. I actually real rate this little thing, eh? It's real cool.